Growing and harvesting crops isn't an exact science, and you can't always predict how things are going to turn out. What you need is a solution that can adapt to changing circumstances and keep you in control every step of the way. This is where ATS CropIT comes in. It starts by letting you build field plans so that you know where your crops will be. Then, when you start to sow the fields, you can record which batch of seed was used in each location. You can even record the type and quantity of any crop treatments and soil treatments used. As your crops start to grow, you can track their growth in the system, and the results of quality tests and weather observations can be recorded directly from test equipment. When it's time to harvest, ATS CropIT keeps you in control, and the clock starts as soon as the produce is picked. Each vehicle is tracked so that you know where it is when it will arrive at the plant and approximately how much produce it'll deliver, allowing you to better plan your resources. Once a vehicle arrives at the plant, further quality control checks are carried out and recorded in ATS CropIT, which then decides if the goods can be received. It allocates the most appropriate production line and records the vehicle weight before and after unloading so that you have a more accurate quantity estimate for the produce. On the production line, ATS CropIT gives you complete visibility, allowing you to track every batch and maximize the uptime of your resources. The results of multiple quality control tests on the line are collated to produce an automatic grade allocation, which in turn gives you an automatic cost calculation. With the ATS CropIT solution, you have complete traceability from seed drilling through to packing. And with the powerful reporting and analysis, you can feed back improvements and reap the benefits of all your collated data. ATS – Smart Digital Transformation. Our experience, your success.